Hi guys, welcome back to Rhea's Kitchen. For today's video, I'll be showing you one of my go-to lunch or dinner favorite recipe, and it is pork katsu and miso soup. Since trending ang mga Korean, Japanese, even Filipino dishes nowadays, papakita ko sa inyo itong very easy Japanese recipe na to na hindi nyo naman kailangan ng a lot of ingredients. It's very simple and very delicious. So para sa mga mami na sobrang nahihilo na sa pag-iisip kung anong ihahanda nyo for lunch and dinner, maybe you can try this recipe. For our pork tonkatsu or pork katsu, the ingredients that we need are pork chops, 1 egg, a little bit of milk, panko breadcrumbs, all-purpose flour, and for our seasoning, we'll be using garlic powder, salt, and pepper. So, doon naman sa miso soup, we'll be using dashi, water, soybean paste or miso paste. We'll be adding nori sheet. And for garnish, green onion. So, let's get started. Okay, first thing we have to do is prepare our seasoning for our pork katsu. So I have a clean bowl here. I'll put 1 teaspoon of salt and about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and about 1/4 teaspoon of granulated garlic or garlic powder. And then we'll mix this together, just like that. And then we'll just set it aside. Our next step is to crack our egg. Like that. And then we'll put a little bit of milk. And then we'll beat our egg. And again, we'll just set this aside. So, once na-pound nyo na guys, itry nyo siyang ibalik sa kanyang... So, once na-pound nyo na siya guys, try nyo siyang ibalik dun sa shape niya dati. Na ganyan. Okay? And then, normally pag nagpe-prepare tayo or nagpa-fry tayo ng katsu, tumutupi yung mga gilid. So, we don't want that to happen. So, what we'll do is, we will lightly slice our pork just like that para hindi siya tutupi. And we'll do this on both sides. And try to pick yung pork chop na wala masyadong taba kasi yung taba mismo ang laging nagfo-fold. So, ayan. Okay, here are our pork chops and then we'll start seasoning them. So, yung salt, pepper, and garlic powder na sinet aside natin, yun yung i-sprinkle natin dito. Yan. So, ginawa ko nga pala yun para even yung seasoning. So, we'll do back and front or front and back. Okay, and then we'll set this aside for like 10 minutes para lang manuot yung seasoning natin. And then we'll coat it. Okay guys, after 10 minutes, i-coat na natin siya. So I have all-purpose flour. Okay, so the next step will be ilulublob natin siya sa egg. So, ito na yung next nating procedure. So, after natin i-season, lagyan ng flour, kunin natin yung ating pork chop. Lagay natin dito sa egg and milk mixture. Yan, i-coat lang natin siyang ganyan. And then, lagay natin siya sa panko breadcrumbs. Just like that. So, i-coat lang natin siya. Ayan. Then, we'll put it here. And then, habang ginagawa nyo ito guys, pwede nyo nang painitin yung inyong oil. So, make sure na hindi mainit yung oil nyo. Ang best temperature for frying your katsu is 350 degrees. Okay? So, tatapusin ko lang i-coat and then ipapakita ko sa inyo yung final product. Okay guys, here are our coated pork chops. So, ready for frying na siya. So, again, nag-preheat na ako ng oil and then ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya ipiprito ng maayos. Okay guys, so na-preheat ko na yung ating oil and then we'll start frying our katsu. So, since I only have 3 here, I'll fry it one at a time kasi for perfect katsu, we need to do a double fry. So, hindi masyadong matagal yung pag-fry natin sa katsu natin. Kasi we don't wanna overcook it too. So, it will be a total of 1 minute on each side. So, kung makikita nyo, medyo nagba-brown na siya. I-flip lang natin. Kaon pa rin. Ready na tayo for our second fry. So, lalagay lang ulit natin. This time, mas mabilis yung pag-fry natin kasi ayaw nating tumigas yung ating pork. So, parang ano siya, flash fry. So, guys, ito na yung ating katsu na second fry ko na siya. So, pupunta naman tayo sa next step natin which is yung pagluto ng ating miso soup. Okay, for our miso soup, so we need a pan. And then, heated pan. We'll put our water. This is about 2 cups of water. Kasi konti lang naman yung gagawin ko. And then, we'll put our miso. Just like that. This is about 1 tablespoon of miso. So, again, depende kung gaano karami. So, since kaunti lang yung gagawin ko. So, what we'll do is we'll just dissolve the miso. Nakikita pa ba? Is it still on? It's still on. Okay, once na dissolved na yung ating miso, we can put our dashi. Ito yung magpapalasa sa ating soup. Okay, I'll start with 1 pack of dashi. And I think it should be enough. Pero titikman ko siya after. So, ihalo lang natin siya. Whisk lang na ganyan. Okay. All good na siya. So, our next step will be adding our nori. So, kinat-cut ko na siya. Ganyan. Okay, and lastly, yung ating garnish, green onions. Lagay na natin. And then, papa-boil ko lang siya ng about 1 to 2 minutes and then ready na siya. So guys, ayan na yung ating katsu. So, plating na tayo. Hihiwain lang natin. Super crispy niya, oh. Kaya, yun yung purpose ng ating pag-double fry. And perfect yung ating pagkaluto. Hindi matigas yung ating pork. So, of course, we have rice here. And then, of course, with our miso soup. Pero, lagay ko muna dito kasi papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko siya siniseason pa. So, I'm using this. The brand is Bulldog. And this is the Worcestershire or Worcestershire ng Japan. So, hindi siya ganun ka-tapang kagaya nung Worcestershire natin dito na Lee and Parents. So, you can use this on a variety of dishes like sa yung noodle, yakisoba, you can use this sauce. So, what I'll do is, yan, sprinkle lang ng ganyan sa ating katsu. And then, para mas masarap ang kain, ang ating Kewpie mayo. Yan. So, if you tried my spicy salmon sushi crunch, you should have Kewpie mayo already on hand. If you haven't, please try it and it's really good. I will link the video somewhere on the screen. And then, ito na yung ating miso soup. So, yan. Ready to eat na tayo, guys. Alright, guys. So, ito na ang pinakahihintay nating portion, ang tikiman time. So, since we have this miso soup, let's try it. Miso soup. Super perfect ang lasa niya, guys. And then, let's try our katsu. Kuha lang tayo. Of course, with rice. Yan. Bango. Super sarap. Tender ang pork on the inside and very crunchy on the outside. That's it for our video today, guys. Sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating simple lunch or dinner recipe for today. And I wanted to greet all the fathers, happy Father's Day in advance. And again, if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel for more cooking videos. See you guys again. Bye!